It was during one of my enduro rides I came across this ancient stupa. Immediately the idea of restoring to its old glory struck me. So then here we go.
When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life of fantasy. When you're here, you never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know. Gotta run into
It's lunchtime. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Kandu from Sinchula, 4,375 meters above the sea level in between Punakha and Thimphu. We are reviving the old stupa. Nyenda tirung abja lebego. Na madam ki chala di matutu be zedego. Tena madam ki na dego. So finally we have completed the painting of stupa, and coming back from the mountain with a sense of achievement and accomplishment. And not just that, we have also done the cleaning in the mountain, and we were bringing down all the garbages. You can see them carrying the garbage. See you.